Hello, welcome to today's session. So in today's session, we are going to start a video series on Solid Edge from basic to advanced. In the first session of the Solid Edge, we are going to learn about how to install Solid Edge. In today's session, we are going to install Solid Edge 2023. Before get starting, let me explain you about the versions of the Solid Edge. Currently, we are installing Solid Edge 2023. There are the latest version till date is Solid Edge 2025. With the newer versions, if you go from 2020 to 2025, there are some commands get added into the newer version, and there are some commands get deprecated with newer version. Now let's get started with the Solid Edge 2023 installation. Here you can see I have Solid Days 2023 setup over here. Before installing Solid Edge, kindly confirm you have administrator login with all permission for installation, and you have turned off your UAC option. Okay. Now right-click to the setup and run as an administrator. When you run the setup, it will start extracting. It will take some time to extract. Okay, now it gets started installing. So the first window here you can see, you have just click on I accept, then you have to select the standard in which standard you are going to work in. You can change this standard after installation. Also, currently I will select here as ISO metric standard. And here, this is our installation folder. So my recommendation is you can keep this installation path as in C. Siemens Solid Edge 2023. Why I am asking to remove that program files because the smaller the installation path, it will be better while you work with the Solid Edge. I'll just click on Next. Now everything is ready and just click on Install. Solid is get installed. Here you can see there is installing KeyShot Windows 64 setup also. With the Solid Edge, you will get the KeyShot also, which is a rendering software. You will get a basic rendering within the KeyShot, and you can do some animation with KeyShot also. This is the basic version you will get with the Solid Edge. If you want to use some additional features within the KeyShot, you can go with the KeyShot licensing, okay? Now you can check on your desktop, the Solid Edge icon will be there. And with Solid Edge, you have KeyShot also. For licensing, you can set environment variable as port number at license server name. And this is for server-based license. Now here you can see we have successfully configured our license and now just launched the Solidus. So now let's launch the Solid, where you can see our Solid Edge get launched. And here we have Solid is 2023, and this is Premium. In Solid Edge, we have three types of license: Premium, Classic, and Foundation. So currently we are using Solid as Premium. So this is the welcome window. You can just click here. Okay, continue. And if you have a Teamcenter integration with the Solid Edge, you can directly start with logging in the Teamcenter. I don't have a Teamcenter environment right now, so I just click File Manage and click on Teamcenter option. Now I can use Solid Edge's application. So this is about Solid Edge installation. We'll see more videos on the Solid Edge in coming session. And if you have any question about installation and licensing, do comment. Thank you for watching the video.